Hey, this is Jean with C&J Farm. You know, we're an educational urban music farm right here in beautiful Matthews County, Virginia. I just got home and I'm sitting here in my office and I can see out the back window there and I can see my fire pit and my yellow barn store and I can see CA out there doing the farm chores and it's starting to get dark and it's been a rainy day and the farm is flooded again. But you know, it's been a nice day. I've started having a collaboration with the Gloucester Southern States, and today was our first time working together, and I totally enjoyed it. Everybody down there is just wonderful, and I've been going there for years, and I've bought everything from them, except for my big order of chicken feed every month. But now it's working out that I'm going to be able to get that from them too. So we're going to be a total Southern States farm, I'll tell you. Be able to get all of our feed from them, and I'm real happy with that. But anyway, today was our first collaboration, and we're going to do this once a month. And I was so busy talking to people, I didn't even take any pictures. So I'll be sure and get some pictures next month. Today was all about Let's Talk Chickens, and it was all about chickens. And didn't really get a group up that really sat and listened to an hour-long program, but I had people wandering through, and we were talking chickens. And Southern States just sold out of chickens. They're going to get more. I mean, chicks. They just sold out of chicks. And they're going to get more next week, I think she said. So they'll have more coming in. So be sure and keep checking back because they do have great poultry that they sell there. But anyway, as people were wandering through, we were talking about chickens and farming and just everything. It was really interesting. And, you know, whenever you get together and you talk, you share. Like, I think I learned as much from the people wandering through talking chickens as they did from me, and because I heard different ways. You know, people do things differently, and I love trying different ways. A lot of the ways that people share are some of the old ways. Like somebody said, take ashes and throw them into your chicken yard, and it's very healthy for the chickens as they're scratching around. So somebody else said put the ashes in the water, so I'm going to check on that. But anyway, it was a great afternoon. Our next collaboration will be April 27th. We'll be set up in the back of the Southern States on that little space of grass and green they've got back there. And I'll have a tent set up with some chairs, and we're going to do a weed walk, and we're going to talk about the herbs for wellness and how to create your own herbal medicine garden. So that'll be from 1 to 3:30 on April 27th. So anyway, and it's free, totally free. Come on and just enjoy us meeting, talking, and sharing. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this time and this twilight time of the day. It's so peaceful. And it feels so good to be sitting in my nice, warm, dry office. I hope you had a great week. Remember to spring forward tonight. Spring forward 1 hour so you don't be late for church tomorrow. You be well.